When it comes to facial cleansing, the first thing that comes to mind is the spot healing brush tool. Put that aside. I will show you 3 practical methods that are better than this. We select our patch tool for the first face cleaning process. Then we select the area we want to clean on the face. After completing the selection, we duplicate the layer and do masking. From the filter menu, click on Blur and then Gaussian Blur. Here we adjust the radius of the blur effect. And that's it. So that was our first procedure. We duplicate the layer again. We apply the vivid light effect. We press Ctrl+I on our keyboard. From the filter menu, click on the other tab, then click on High Pass. Again, we set the radius to the appropriate level. Then again, from the filter menu, click on Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Here we will set the radius setting at a low level. Now we go to the layer section and mask the layer on which we apply the effect. Select the masking part and press Ctrl+I on our keyboard. We select our brush tool and clean the area we want to clean with our brush. Now we can do face cleaning. Here is the result. Here we will apply the black and white effect to our photo for face cleaning. We darken the red tone and lighten the yellow tone. The area we will clean here becomes more prominent. We select our patch tool. We replace the area we want to clean with the clean parts on the face. For this process, just drag the area you have selected with the left click of your mouse and drop it on a clean area. After rough cleaning, click on Neural Filters from the filter menu. Here we activate the skin smoothing effect. We increase the blur and smoothies section sufficiently. We confirm the process. And the result. We got the result we wanted in all 3 processes. Don't forget to follow for other lessons.